To order Uber Eats with a gift card, start by opening the Uber Eats app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store and create an account if you are a new user. Once you have the app open, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and select Payment from the menu. Here you will see the option to add a gift card. Select this option and enter the gift card code, the zip code, and the security code. After adding the gift card, you can use it to pay for your orders. To do this, select the food you want to order and proceed to checkout. At the payment screen, you will see the gift card as a payment option. Select this option to use the gift card to pay for your order. If the gift card balance is not enough to cover the full cost of the order, you can use another payment method to cover the remaining amount. To do this, select the gift card as the primary payment method and then select another payment method to cover the remaining amount. It is also important to note that Uber Eats gift cards can only be used on the Uber Eats app and not on the Uber ride-hailing app. Additionally, gift cards cannot be used to pay for tips or delivery fees, so you will need to use another payment method for these. By following these steps, you can easily use an Uber Eats gift card to pay for your orders. Make sure to check the balance on your gift card before placing an order to ensure you have enough funds to cover the cost.